Okay, so I thought I'd make a little video, although it's probably going to be quite a long video, showing you the speakers in the front of the Mk1 Fabias. I have noticed on various pages there's been quite a few people asking about them, so I thought I'd make this little video showing you what they actually look like. I'm in the process of changing mine because I've got some upgrades. So that's a standard speaker in the Mk1 Fabias. They're a 16.5 centimetre or 6.5 inch speaker. As you can see, they are riveted in. There's rivets around the side, so you do need to drill these out. Yeah, obviously drill those out. The speaker then can be levered out with a flat tip screwdriver. Then what you need to do is clean the holes up where the rivets were, so they're just perfectly flat. And then what you need to do is attach a speaker adapter ring, which are these. So get two of these. What you do is, there's many different ways of attaching these. What some people do is just put nuts and bolts through. So you've got a hole in the middle just there, which you can put the nut and bolt through. Or what you can do, which I'll be doing, is using riv nuts. I'll be putting riv nuts into the doors and then just putting bolts through, and they'll get secured on like that. So yeah, this basically just goes in place of the original speaker there. And then what you then do is put the aftermarket speakers in. Actually, these ones, I went for some Alpines. So yeah, that basically goes on the door, and then your speaker fits onto that, sort of like that. They're not that difficult to do. The rear speakers are also reasonably easy. They're actually a lot more fiddly, to be honest, because you have to do quite a bit with the wiring, because standard speaker adapters like these, which are for the front ones, same as the Mark IV Golfs and various other things, you can't get these sort for the rear speakers, because the rear ones actually have two plugs on them, which you can see there I've cut off. These are the rear speakers. See how there's two plugs? That's basically because there's the power that goes to the speaker from the stereo, and then a socket coming back out which runs to the tweeters in the back doors. And that's also why the front door speakers have full wires as well, because the audio signal comes in to the speaker and then goes out to the tweeter. And it's just the same in the back as well. This is wired slightly differently because I've got the crossover there, because these are actually upgraded tweeters. But yeah, it's honestly not a bad job to do. Speaker sizes, to say 16.5 centimeters in the front and 4x6 inch in the rears for the estates, and just 4 inch round for the hatchbacks, and I think the saloons are 4x6. Yeah, I think the saloons are the same size as these. But yeah, there was nothing wrong with these speakers, they all work. It's just my car's got an amplified sound system in it. There's a amp that sits under the seat, a Pioneer one, and I just don't want to blow these speakers up, because I thought that would be a bit cruel. But yeah, everything's pretty decent, easy to do. The back of the estates, there's my electrical tape. You have to pull all this out, all the back panels. In the hatchbacks, I shall just show you, because our other one's just down here, which is a hatchback. On the hatchbacks, all you need to do is just peel this carpet out. So there's just a few clips up around the top here. and then you can access the speaker and get to it from underneath. And these are the ones that have the little 4-inch speakers in. And the front speakers on these are just the same as the Estates. So yeah, hopefully that might help some people who are wondering about how to do the speakers. There's plenty of videos and guides on how to remove the door cards. They're pretty straightforward as well. Just make sure you get some more of these, because they do tend to break. As you can see, there's a few that are broken here. What are mine? And it's pretty common, to be honest. You can do without them, but I just replace them anyway. I've got loads that I've nicked off cars that are broken, but you can buy them in packs of 10 and 20 off eBay. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful for some people.